right. If you know me, it's probably an unboxing video, and you're right. I spent some money, not too much though, honestly. I just got sucked in to some Black Friday sale that Lori Moreno was doing. So let's start first with hers, with Wilderness Glass. I've talked about this a little bit before. I know that you think that I use a lot of her Murini, and I do, and Tabitha's as well, but I catch it when it's on a sale. So that's the point, is that I try to catch a good sale that's happening, or in the case of Lori, she was doing Black Friday, and some of her stuff she's selling as seconds. I still think it's beautiful. It may not meet her perfect standards, which I appreciate the fact that she has such high standards for herself. But then when she sells some stuff as seconds, I snatch it up. So she had some turkeys. These are turkey heads. She sells little turkey kits that I have too. But I also have plenty of feathers. Not feathers, they're leaves, fall colored leaves that I think will make great little feathers as the turkeys plume. So I bought some turkey heads that she had. I also bought these gorgeous orange flowers, or orange centers, with kind of a daisy. I just think that they're a really fun pop of color, look great in some of my pieces. She had these kind of fire flower, orangey flower things that I thought were really cool. I don't know what's wrong with these in terms of Lori standards. I think they look great, and they're going to go well in my pieces. She also had some blue. These are probably kind of hard to see, some blue flowers, and so I bought those because I really love the saturation of color, and I think that will look cool in some of my work. She had these orange dots. Some of you have seen that I've used dots similar to this to do little drink stirs, and I think that this orange is a fun color. The stripe is just fun, and so I picked those up inexpensively. And then she had some seconds that were leaves, just some white and some orange and reddish leaves in there, and those are cool looking. Again, they may not be exactly what she was looking for in her pull, but it was a great opportunity for me to pick up some really cool pieces relatively inexpensively. So thank you, Lori, for running the Black Friday sale as always. And so that was that one. And then some of you may have purchased before from Murini Man on Etsy. I'll drop a link to Murini Man as well. And I have purchased before and love these tiny little peppermints. They go a long way. This little package though was only $4, and so I bought a couple of them. I just think they're perfect around the holidays, and I love the teeny tiny size of those. So I got three of those from Murini Man. These are all COE 90 bullseye glass. And then always appreciated, but never expected, they sent some extras as well. So I should have looked this up, Blues. I don't remember what it stands for. It's basically their blooper stuff, their factory seconds, if you will, or their studio seconds. So much, they sell these, but then they sent, and I've bought a package of these before. In fact, I still have, not within arm's reach, but I have some of these. Great to include in projects. And again, doesn't meet their perfect standards, but looks great in some of the stuff that I'm doing. They sent some large peppermint candies, which are fun to complement my tiny ones, so thank you for that. This is a new product that they just launched called Ember, so a little sample of that I can play with, and then this teeny variety pack. So these little teeny Murini are fun, and sometimes when you're doing a piece that has a lot of Murini, I like to do shapes and such. You need just a teeny one to kind of fit in somewhere. These are perfect for that. So anyway, thanks for the extras. That was certainly not expected, but definitely appreciated. And I'll drop the link in the video notes, so if you're interested in that, you can check them out on Etsy as well. Thanks, everybody. Hope you're doing well. Catch you later. Bye-bye.